This will be a Briggs and Stratton rebuild part 3. I just ordered a new connecting rod with the dipper and everything. This I've been looking almost everywhere for, but I couldn't find this part only. They only sell it with the connecting rod. So I ordered it and replaced the connecting rod for this. As you could tell, the old new. I wanted to use it over this one, but the bolt pattern was different and I didn't have bolts for this, for the old one. This has lots of scratches. Not deep ones, but like fine scratches everywhere. They're a little deep, but not that deep. On the cylinder wall, those are just marks. They're not actually big scratches. It's kind of smooth in there. I did rehome it and lap the valves and see if it has enough compression to run and break in the rings with the walls and see how that goes. There, fully put together now. I used some of this stuff on a gasket. Now, got the spark plug in, everything in, the connecting rod and stuff. Has decent compression. It's okay, it'll run for sure. Well, after running for about a minute or so, I couldn't get the camera working because I had no batteries. So yeah, I did start it up. It runs very quiet. The problem, I ran it for like a few minutes and I revved it. Stupid starter flew out some bearings. So I don't know, I think there's a couple left in there. So I'm gonna open the front up and see if I could pop that cap back on. It has that electronic ignition. See, you could tell it's brand new. Not even a speck of freaking oil anywhere. So it's mostly been sitting. As you can see, I only have 3 left, which is good. I'll have enough to start it again. So let me put this back together and I'll start it. Well, after putting back together, I'm gonna start it up right now. Use as another Briggs and Stratton tripod. The second startup. As you see, I think there was smoke a lot.